Hello students, how are you all? I wish and I hope you are all doing well. So I am here with you today to launch my new course Exam Oriented Batch. See, this exam oriented batch is applicable for CA Inter September 2025 and January 26 attempts, CMA Inter December 2025 attempt as well. I am in Hyderabad. I am recording exam oriented batch in live in One Academy. All those recordings will be uploaded in my app. You can download my app. My app name is Umas Phoenix. You can download this app from Android Play Store or you can download from iOS as well. Once you download my app, you can see the exam oriented batch. Till now, like around 50 hours of content is there in that application. I taught till PGBP in the live batch, but first two chapters, basic concepts, residential status, these two chapters videos got corrupted and I am re-recording those videos. In 1 week of time, I'm going to upload those two chapters as well. And I assure you, by June 10th, you are going to get all the videos of this batch. Okay, exam oriented batch. So till now PGBP recordings are uploaded till PGBP. You can see those videos in my channel as well. First two chapters recordings are there which will be uploaded in 1 week of time. So students want entire DT to be taught in 110 to 120 hours. As DT contributes only 50 marks in taxation paper, if I teach for 150 hours or 160 hours, students are not showing the interest. That's why I have discussed very clearly all the concepts in 110 to 120 hours. So that is made available on my channel. You can, like, the fees is also very reasonable. I thought of keeping it at 5,000, but then I thought about discount. Now I am offering you this course at 3599 rupees. Please remember, this 3599 rupees is inclusive of material cost. Whatever the exam oriented batch material that I am going to teach in the classroom is there, the same material will be sent to your registered address at free of cost. Okay, so if you pay 3599, in that only material cost is also included. The material will be sent to you, like all the concepts are being covered in that material. Along with that, I have also discussed problems. The entire teaching will be in 100% English. Even first timers also can enroll into this course. Those who have not known about DT, they can also subscribe to this course. They can start learning. Like, but the only thing is, instead of so many problems, I have restricted problems to the extent which you can understand the concept. Okay. So many problems are not being discussed, but enough problems are being discussed in exam oriented batch. So you can enroll into this course after downloading my app. Like, you can see exam oriented course. Once you make the payment and give your address details in that application by way of message, I am going to send you the material to your registered address at free of cost. You can see around 348 pages concept book is there. So it is applicable for May 25, September 25 and January 26. For CMA Inter, it is applicable for June 25 and December 25 attempts as well. So total 348 pages are there, discussed very clearly. Even problems are also being discussed. So you can understand entire DT, you can finish entire DT in 110 to 120 hours. And trust me, you are assured you are going to enjoy all these classes and you are going to get so much of benefit. Thank you.